Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zik, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to make a video call on BIGO Live. It's very easy, so let's get started. Alright, so the first step you have to take is to open your BIGO Live application and then log into your account. After that, you have to click on the Go Live icon at the bottom of your screen, and then you have to click on the Go Live button. So once you're live on BIGO, the next thing you have to do guys is to click on this connect person icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. So you find these three icons there. You find the first one, the second, and the third. Click on the third one, which is the connect person icon. So once you click on that, then you see this match option at the bottom right corner. So once you click on the match, what BIGO does is to look for someone to match with you, someone who is actually live on his or her device, and then once someone is found, then it will match just like this. So that's how you can do it. Hope this guide was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and you probably subscribe for more info tips like this.